Good morning, folks. Thanks for tuning in today. Got a new month, so I got a new Alpha Outpost box for you. So I found a little clearing out here in the woods. It's extremely hot out here today, and it's been raining, so the bugs are crazy. I already took off my shirt, but or my long sleeve shirt. But anyway, nevertheless, let's check this box out for this month. So stay with me. My name's Chris. You're watching Skills to Survive. Alright, so this month's theme is called Hawkeye. As you can tell from the intro, the little hawk there. He's always out here, that hawk, flying around and stuff, so it's nice to see him. But anyway, this month's box is called Hawkeye. So let's take a look at it, see what we got. Here's our little card here, Hawkeye. It says something about understanding Norse, so I wonder if there's like a compass or something in here. Oh, that's cool. Check that out, folks. Got another hat to wear. You'll be seeing this on my videos. I know some people commented before, wanted to know if my Glock hat and stuff was the only hat that I owned. So I started wearing different hats. So I've got a bunch of hats. I collect hats, so this would be a hat I'll be wearing. So nice little hat there. I got the hat. Hawkeye compass. We'll open that up here in just a minute, and then Hawkeye, that's pretty cool there, spotting scope. So we're going to open that up. Here's like a little EDC multi-tool type thing. We'll have to look and see what all it does. I like that. That's pretty neat there. And then, oh man, check out that patch. Let me open this patch for you. That patch is awesome. Check that out. That is an awesome patch. That's probably one of their best patches, I think, so far. That's a really awesome patch. So let's see this. We'll start with the little multi-tool thing here. Let's see if I saw something on the back of the card. Okay, so little multi-tool here. You can see here it tells you what it is. So it has a keychain hole. It has a bottle opener, a saw blade, a nail puller right here. Just a little nail puller. And then a couple of wrench positions, and then a butterfly wrench. So pretty neat little EDC type tool there. That's pretty neat. That'll get some use. Alright, so let me open some of this other stuff up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I thought first we'd take a look at the compass here. Looks pretty neat, kind of nice little Fedora type pouch here. Little belt loop on the back here so you can put it on your belt or whatnot. So let's take a look at it. Oh, dropped it there. Looks like you got some instructions here. Those are always going to come in handy. So let's take a look at this compass here. You can tell in there it says Hawkeye. Pretty neat. So this is an engineering type, lensatic type compass. And you can see there you got a sighting mirror, sighting window. Got your compass itself. Got a little bubble here to tell you when you're level. Got a rotating bezel. Your grid lines, whatnot, and then right in here looks like you can look through when you're sighting. You look through here and see your bearing, which is really cool because a lot of times when you're looking for a bearing, sometimes you can't see your actual, if you don't have your sighting mirror lined up. This one doesn't have a mirror on it, but if you don't have your mirror lined up, you're not going to be able to see your bearing. So if you look through the little hole here, and you can see your bearing there, you're not going to be able to tell that much on this camera. But that's pretty neat. You can use that as a base plate type compass to get all your readings and whatnot. So that looks really cool. It's metal, so the housing is metal. It feels metal at least, yeah. The housing is metal. So that's really nice. On the back here you have different, I don't know how well that's even going to show up, but looks like you have different angles and whatnot, sighting gradients and stuff. So this looks like it's a pretty cool compass. I mean, it's yeah, let's see if it's, I have a compass right here in my hillpeoplegear chest bag that I carry all the time. Let's see if this is pretty accurate. So let me get it out and we'll be right back. Alright, so I always carry a compass with me in the field. I usually carry a base plate compass right here you see on the left. So there's the compass on the right. As you can tell, both are pointing north, and they're pretty accurate. They may be getting off just a hair because they're a little close to each other just to get them in frame for you. But So the HAWKEYE compass looks pretty accurate. So we'll be using it and testing it out throughout the summer, and you know, out on some adventures and getting used to it, because I'm not a haven't been a real big fan of lensatic type compasses over the years, mainly because I really didn't know how to use them. So I've always used the base plate type compass on the left here. But nevertheless, so that's the compass. Nice little compass that it comes with in the HAWKEYE box. Let's see what the spotting scope's all about. Alright, so here's the spotting scope. So we've got a couple of items in here. So we've got a little tripod. We got this little thing here. I'll have to figure out what that is. Looks like it mounts on the tripod, so not quite sure. A little lanyard. Some directions. And then the spotting scope itself comes in a nice little package here. Check it out here. So here's the spotting scope itself. Has a little compass on the top. It has removable, nice rubber removable lens caps. Check this out here. So this is pretty neat. Let me fool around. It looks like it's a 40 by 60. So I don't know if you can see on there. It's a 40 by 60 adjustable aperture. So let's put it up together here and see what this other stuff is, and we'll go from there. So after a little bit of reading the directions and finagling a little bit, your little bracket mounts to your cell phone. So to turn your cell phone, you can attach the spotting scope to your cell phone. So it takes a little bit of just a little bit of tweaking it a little bit and getting it to work right. But once you get it on there and get it to work right, it's actually pretty neat. And then of course it comes with a little tripod, so you can set the tripod up and whatnot. But I'm going to try to get the camera to where it'll see through my phone and show you, but it's going to be kind of difficult, but we'll try here. So, and you can adjust this and whatnot, which is pretty cool. So this is a neat little feature. So let me get the camera repositioned and see if you can see this. It's going to be kind of difficult to see in the camera here, but you can see right here there's a chimney that's over at the neighbor's house, which is a couple of, probably about 150 yards away, and I got it zoomed in a little bit. It's kind of hard to tell on here, but it's pretty neat though how it works out. So yeah, I mean, this is a neat little feature. Neat little feature here. So be right back. Well, folks, thanks for watching this. Hopefully a quick unboxing for you and showing you how to use this month's Alpha Outpost HAWKEYE box. So the spotting scope and the compass, definitely going to come in handy. Spotting scope especially come hunting season, you're out glassing for deer and whatnot, so, or just general looking at birds and stuff. Like I said, the hawk here, he flies around all the time, so he's all the time around, so it'd be neat to take this out and try to get a close-up shot of him, or closer shot when he's flying around. So with the zoom in feature, what this will give you. And then with the compass here, obviously like usual, we'll with all the gear, we'll go out and continue testing it out and seeing how it works, and I'll come back later on with you and tell you. But so far this seems like a pretty decent little compass. You know, like I said, I'll get out and use it some more and whatnot, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. Till soon on another video. Always remember PPE, plan, prepare, and exercise. Always make sure you have the necessary skills to survive. And learning how to use a compass and a map to find your way around is definitely a necessary skill that you need to survive. You can't always rely on GPS, as a lot of us might do nowadays. Got a bug up there. So anyway, thanks for watching, folks. I'm going to get out of here. It's getting ready to start to rain again, and the bugs are eating me alive. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video real soon.